Get down, gotta keep it real with you. I thought you were down, you were down. You thought that I wouldn't get down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's November 1st, so that means
it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
hold up, we're not quite there yet. Today I have a fall going into winter. Is it? Yeah. Haul for you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I do a lot of these like testing online clothing brands series. I'm not really a fashion type of person, which is kind of ironic. Some of these items I just tried on, and some of them I've been testing out for a week now. So you'll have my honest good opinion. Let's get on to it. So the first item we have here, it's like a full turtleneck cropped sweater. Super cute. It's like a nice cream color. It's pretty soft. It's definitely cozy, that's for sure. It's a nice crop too, as long as you have high-waisted jeans. It's a nice crop top. Here is another cropped sweater, but this one's not as turtlenecky as the other one. Is that the word? This one's super thick. None of these fabrics are itchy. They're pretty soft. Definitely a longer crop, which will kind of be a little more comfortable. I tucked it in a bit, just because I like it like that. Yeah, even the color too is so pretty. And I'm wearing this next shirt. This reminds me of the guy from Blue's Clues. I would be the last person you would see wearing this, but I really like it. I think it's just like, it's really nice, but it's super cropped. And it's just like, it's just super comfy, and I don't even know. It's nice. It's a nice top. Next we have here is another long sleeve top. It's like off the shoulder type, and it's a bit longer as well. I tucked mine in because I don't like to wear my tops like long. This is another pretty mauve color. I love it. Here we have a staple long sleeve top. It's definitely a thinner material, but still nice. And then we got the gray version of that. Basically, it's just a staple, essential kind of thing to have going into winter and the fall season. It's long sleeve, but it's thin, so you can layer. I think I know what I'm talking about. I don't really know. For me personally, online would be the last place that I would get a jacket. I decided to get this one here. All the jackets I have are like super thick and heavy. This one, oh, this is like lightweight, but I've been wearing it for the past week. It keeps you warm. It actually does. Fashion Nova, what, who, what, where, when, why, how? I got it in black, of course, but I honestly would probably buy different colors because it's actually really nice. Lightweight, keeps you warm. You good. I actually tried this one on for the first time today, and I really like it. In the camera, I thought it looked kind of like a leather jacket. It's nothing like a leather jacket. It's kind of like a windbreaker. Really thin. I actually really like it. It has a like nice length. This one's got a hood too. You can cinch it in the waist, which is really nice. We shall see how this holds up. See, doesn't it kind of look like a leather jacket? Maybe I'm tripping. Ever since I would say grade 9, I would be the last person you would find wearing a cardigan. But I just thought I would get this, and I actually kind of like it. This is a really soft material. It feels like a blanket. So I may have to just like wear this at home, being all cozy and everything. If you like cardigans, you will like this. It goes like longer at the front, shorter at the back, party at the front. Wait, what is it? Business in the front, party in the back. My last 3 items are accessories, winter fall accessories. I never thought of trying these from Fashion Nova. I got a scarf and 2 hats. Never wear scarves either. I just not an accessory person, but I really like this. I'll definitely be wearing this coming into winter. I think they only had 2 colors. I wish they had more. I hope they come out with more. Yes, I did pull it a bit hard. That actually really hurt. And then the hats. Oh my gosh, these are actually so nice. Super simple staple hats. So I got like my everyday, you know, pull up in all black. And we've got our like, ooh, you feeling fancy. Or not fancy, you know, just like a bit of pop of color. Oh my gosh, they just flew out of my hand. So guys, that is all of the clothes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I know I've been hitting you guys with all of these fashion hauls, but you guys keep asking me for them, so I'm just giving you what you want. Again, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram. You don't have to. Anyways, I hope you have a great day, night, wherever you are, and you can catch me in my next video. Bye! I was like really fake. See you guys next time. Or you will see me. You know what I mean.